Brothers and sisters, there was a time when many people, including myself, truly believed that EFF would one day be bigger than the ANC. When we all believed Julius Malema would one day become president of South Africa. He believed it himself and used to say it with arrogance. Hence, AfriForum and Solidarity were pissing their pants. But then something went terribly wrong over time. He became overconfident, totally unpatriotic, dangerously reckless, and consumed by self-importance. Malema's ego took precedence over party politics. Continental recognition became more important than local acceptance. Noise replaced substance, and rhetoric replaced solutions. Instead of listening to what South Africans were unhappy about, Malema chose to lecture them about one Africa. When citizens complained about illegal foreigners, he condemned them. When communities demanded borders, law, and order, he defended undocumented migrants at all costs, deliberately swimming against the tide of public opinion. And as a result, EFF lost direction, and they lost members. And now we see them marching with Nigerian drug lords, standing with them outside courtrooms, and pretending this is revolutionary politics. Let's be honest. It's now very clear that Malema has abandoned the idea of ever becoming president, and so have his followers. Now the question is, if they no longer want to govern, why are they still in politics? For a job? For a salary? EFF is not the biggest opposition party, and it will never be. Malema seems to be content with being the CIC of a tiny little army and keeping his close buddies on the parliament payroll. He no longer stands for South Africans and no longer shapes local politics. EFF has become as politically irrelevant as those tiny parties with one seat in parliament. And yet, his supporters remain unambitious. They are just happy to wear red t-shirts and beret, happy to march when they are told, happy to show up whenever Malema goes to court. Some still believe he's the most intelligent politician in the country. They still believe he will one day lead this nation. That's not loyalty. That's delusion. Malema once had everything going for him. He had momentum. He had attention. He had youth on his side. And he had history in his favor. And he threw it all away for a fantasy of being president of a united Africa, a position that will never exist. He forgot one basic truth. Foreigners can't vote him into presidency. No matter how much poetry he recites, no matter how loud his rhetoric is, Malema's open border policies scare voters away. And the coming local elections will demonstrate it. Malema will forever be the priest of his own cult church and a kingmaker in provinces, metros, and municipalities. But EFF will never govern, not even locally. And that's a tragic ending for a party that once looked like the future. Self-sabotage at its best, and a lifetime opportunity wasted. It was so close, yet so far. That's the story of a once mighty EFF.